How to use Klarna in store. Now, first of all, open the Klarna app on your phone and now make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on In Store. So on the home screen, tap In Store. This lets you create a digital card to use physical stores. Now, after that, find the store or tap Create Card. So search for the store you are shopping at or tap Create On-Time or One-Time Card if the store accepts standard cards. After that, enter the amount that you will spend. So type in the total amount of your purchase, be accurate, include taxes and fees. After that, choose a payment plan. So pick your payment options, pay in 4 installments, pay in 30 days, monthly financing. Now then tap Create Card. Now after that, add card to your wallet. So Klarna will generate a digital card. You can add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay if you use the Android, of course. After that, pay at the store. So at the checkout, open your phone's wallet. Use Klarna card like any countless payments. Tap to pay. So this is how to use Klarna in store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.